name is Kiana Brittner. I'm an extension specialist and salon owner here in Ohio. Today I'm going to be talking about how to make fine hair thicker. So I personally have extremely fine hair, and if you didn't know, there is a difference between fine and thin hair, and I actually have both. So fine hair describes like the actual hair strand, how big or small it is. So my hair strand is on the smaller side, and on top of that I have thin hair. So thin hair is how many hairs do you have per square inch on the head. So I don't have a ton of hairs per square inch either, so I have both fine and thin hair. So for me, I have found that with my natural hair, it breaks really easy. So I have to really baby my natural hair if I'm not wearing extensions. Extensions for me have given me the possibility to have that thick, dreamy hair that I never was able to recreate myself, while also protecting my natural hair, which is really cool. Hair acts like a blanket, so when you're heat styling or putting your hair up, most of that friction or heat is really touching the extension hair and not your natural hair.